Welcome to the Simple Terms podcast. But today, we are moving past the introductions to dissect a massive financial anomaly currently hiding inside an aerospace company. After 24 years behind private doors, this enterprise just executed the largest public offering in history, hitting the market at a $1.75 trillion valuation. The public is focused on the rockets, but the three structural forces driving this shockwave operate entirely on the ground, and they have very little to do with space. It began with a highly publicized promise of a 30% retail allocation, telling everyday investors they would finally secure a massive piece of the company. Instead, demand was so overwhelming that the actual allocations were squeezed down to fractions, leaving the public fighting for whatever was left. While the retail crowd manages that frustration, the real story is moving away from the investors and into the company's internal vault. Filings now reveal a hidden treasury holding 18,712 Bitcoin, making this aerospace giant the 8th largest corporate crypto whale on the planet. Holding a reserve this size suggests the enterprise is no longer trading in hardware, but in the infrastructure of a much larger intelligence. The XAI merger cements that transition, turning a rocket company into a unified AI infrastructure giant that bridges global connectivity with frontier models. By hitting the public market first, this $2 trillion debut acts as the starting gun for the 2026 wave, establishing the valuation benchmarks that OpenAI and Anthropic are now forced to follow. What happens to the global market when a retail squeeze, a massive crypto treasury, and an AI market trigger all collide under a single ticker? The fallout will rewrite the rules of public equity. We are breaking down the entire corporate strategy this Saturday in our live deep dive on the Simple Terms podcast YouTube channel. Join the GiversGain community as we continue exploring the future and making the most complex topics understandable in simple terms.
Remember, Saturday mornings at 9 Eastern, Simple Terms podcast is live. Set your reminder to join us each week on the Billy Goat Tales YouTube channel, where we come together and ask the AI questions. It's a fun time.